How to lock Telegram with a password on iPhone. In this video, I'll show you how to lock Telegram with a password to keep your chats and account more secure. First, open the Telegram app. Then go to Settings and select Privacy and Security. Next, tap Passcode and Face ID. Then choose Turn Passcode On. Create a 6-digit passcode. Then enter it again to confirm. Your Telegram app will now be protected with a password. You can also customize additional security settings. Enable Unlock with Face ID, allowing you to unlock Telegram more quickly and securely. Below that, you can change the auto lock timer. Choose how long Telegram should wait before automatically locking, such as 1 minute, 5 minutes, or another available option. Once the auto lock timer has passed, you'll need to enter your passcode or use your fingerprint to access Telegram again. That's it. You've successfully enabled password protection on Telegram. If you found this tutorial helpful, also make sure to click like, share, and subscribe for more Telegram tips, privacy tutorials, security guides, and easy tech how-to videos.